So that is unload display. So that unload means when your page loads, it will now display, or this function will be called. So you can see it's showing that this is not a mobile. Let me rephrase. This is not a mobile. Why? Because maybe the width of this my brother is too long. Now can you now get, let's have it like this. Let me refresh. This is mobile because the width is small. But when the width is big like this is not mobile. So that is a simple way to check your browser width and height. So if you want to redirect, maybe you don't want to use an alert, you want to redirect, you can just redirect, use location dot replace. Use replace so that you replace the URL, the history that you are working on. So take me to desktop, or should take me to web.facebook.com. What if it's mobile? Should take me to m.facebook.com. So let's check it here. Refresh. You can see this is web.facebook.com. All right. There's no way to go back because we use replace. It means it will replace the previous URL with this new one. So there is no way to go back unless you go back to your URL and still redirecting us. So, but if you want it to give you like go back link, you can change this thing to equal to. Change to equal to. So you change this to equal to, you can see it takes me there, but there is now back button here. But when I click on back, it still takes me back because this URL is not found here. But if you want it, you can see it's just telling me that file was not found because it's trying to access file, whereas this is just URL. So you want to use normal URL, you have to add HTTP. There is a must if you want to redirect it to a new URL. So you have to add this there. So let's refresh. Wow, you can see now. So it's showing no internet. You can see this is web.facebook. It's showing no internet found. That is correct. So that is a simple way to redirect your page. Or if you want to set time that it will redirect, you can do it like this. This is the code for your redirecting. So just delete it. I cut it, I keep it. So I write this code. Set timeout function. So you are going to put your code here. So that code that will happen should be here. And this code will happen in how many seconds? You come back to this place, put comma, 1000 milliseconds. This is 1 second. So if you want it to happen in like 3 seconds, or 5 seconds, you have to change to 5000. That is 5 seconds. So let's check it out here. You can see nothing happens. We have to wait for 5 seconds. Aha, something happens. So this is how you can set timeout in JavaScript. So that means after 5 seconds, something will happen. If you change this into 10, so that means after 10 seconds, something will happen. So you have to wait for like 10 seconds. That it works. And you should understand that let me change this code to alerts. Wow. So this alert will be showing after 3000 milliseconds. That is after 3 seconds. So let's check it here. You can see, but it's not show again. That is the end of your code. But if you want it to be showing after 3 seconds, there is a way. You change this thing from set timeout to set interval. So this set interval can still repeat your code after a particular second. So this after 3 seconds, after 3 seconds, after 3 seconds, after 3 seconds. So this is a way to do background refresh in your app or in your website. You just say that you send message to someone and the person receive your message instantly. It's called reset interval that is fetching new message at every second. So unless you delete your code before this thing will stop working like this. To stop like that. So that is how that one works. But if we check here, that time when we're redirecting, so when we're redirected to this place, you can change this to href. It's still the same thing. Href. In case you see it in some other codes, it's still the same thing. So let's check it out. You can see that it's still the same thing. So, and location is very faster than .href. How can you check the URL name? I'm saying the host name of a browser. So, or of your website. Let's say alert puts window dot location dot host name. So let's share this code and see what will happen. So this is our file. So that is showing nothing because you are not connected. If you are online, you are under maybe www. Your website URL, it can show you the location. But once you want to show the pathway, that the path name where you are working on, you can just change to path name. So you can see where you are accessing your file. So that's what is called path name. If you copy this, you paste it in your URL, it will still take you to this page. So it's still taking you back to this page. So that's pathway. Okay. Now, what if you want to check the protocol? Normally is HTTP, but we are not connected online. If we are connected, this will work very fine. Protocol. So it should display HTTP. And if you are on HTTPS, no problem to still display HTTPS. But here is you are under file. So that's why it can't show anything now. Now let's work with how you can navigate to the back of your history. Let's have something like this. Let's say go back and we have go forward. Let's put forward, go forward and put back. That's go back. So there are two functions you want to develop. So put them here. The first is go back. So that means when you click on go back, your browser should go back to where it's coming from. So you write the code like this: history does back. So why to go front is go forward, history dot forward. The two will work. But before you do that, check your URL and check your browser here. Is there anything like back? Is there anything like forward? No. So that means this will not work. You can see it will not work. Unless we have something, let's create new page. And call that new page new.html. So we have two pages now. From here, let's have link that will take me to the new page. Href, let's call it new.html.